In assessing the governance of the current MDA-2 government in the past 10 months, the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H Pala, expressed that the citizens of the state have been deceived. He highlighted instances of unfulfilled promises, attributing the failure to self-centered and financially motivated legislators within the alliance.
You look at the MDA, be it MDA-1 or the MDA-2, I'm talking from the point of commitment. They promised work to 5 lakhs people. I think not even 1 lakh has been finished. At least if you divide that 5 lakhs divided by 5 years, so how many has been employed? 0. They promised coal in the manifesto, 0. They have made a funfair that they have given a mining license, 0. Rather, they give us so many coke plants. This become poison for the people. And with that coke plant, today the people are having an orange festival with an orange. Today people have pine festival with a pine. And with that, that decision we have taken only for the sake of money. And instead of greed, they have spoiled the entire West Kutch Hills, the entire Giant Hills, entire border. So I think it's total failure. Nobody will be happy for the last, not even 10 months or so, before also. But somehow, because of the gap between the leaders and because of the ego of the leaders from the Congress, this has been, they got a second chance. But people will definitely, realize and definitely will rethink right from the coming election of the Lok Sabha.